welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a really good day, whatever you're up to. The sun is out, guys. We're gonna start having a heat wave as of this week. I'm really excited for that. So guys, I didn't know what to film for today's video, and I put a poll on Instagram and I put a community tab here on YouTube and asked you guys whether you wanted to see me clean my house, my beauty room, or whether you wanted me to do a Pride inspired look. June is Pride month. I asked you guys, and basically you guys, it was neck and neck between clean the house and the beauty room. So I'm going to do those together. So I'm going to start off in my beauty room. I've already washed my brushes, as you would have seen on Sunday's video. It doesn't really need a lot in here. It's mainly my vanity table that needs a good clean. The floor needs sweeping, well, hoovering and mopping. I don't think my Alex drawers look that bad, but I'll take you over there and show you. Then I think we'll go into the kitchen and do the kitchen. We've got some pots from last night because me and Tony were being lazy and basically couldn't be asked to wash the pots. Then I think we'll go into the living room. Just a bit of hoovering and dusting in there. And the bathroom needs doing. Mine and Tony's bedroom is fine. I cleaned that yesterday. So yeah, there's nothing really to do in there, so we won't venture in there today. The spare room is basically a junk room, so quick pan you around there, but I never really go in there because I just use the wardrobe in there for my clothes. And then the last room is Tony's gaming room. I do not go in there. That is up to him. He does the cleaning in there because I don't want to break his gaming setup or anything like that, his PCs. So yeah, that's about it. So I don't want to keep this intro too long. So grab yourself a cup of tea, a snack, and let's just jump straight into it, shall we? So I'm just going to start off by sorting out what's on top of the beauty table. So I always have like a little basket like this. I think I picked this up from Poundland or something like that, and I normally just put in all the makeup that I'm going to use in the day. So I'm just going to put that over with the Alex drawers and then we'll sort that out in a minute. So like I say guys, I've already washed all of my brushes. I'm so glad I did because I hate doing that job. So these are all my eye brushes. So I've got like fluffy ones, fluffy flat ones. Then I have like shading brushes and just like pencil brushes in this one. In this one I have like all my flat concealer brushes. Like all these flat concealer brushes. Then I'll have like eyeliner pencil brushes and brow brushes. And then these ones like if I want to do some fancy artwork on my eyes. And then I've got a few spoolies in there as well. So we're going to move those out of the way. These ones are getting ready to be washed. So I'll probably wash these today as well to keep on top of my brushes. Oh, and then finally we have these with my face brushes in. So I've got two of those. So they have got all my face brushes in. This is just an old Tangle Teaser bottle, but then I put some conditioner in with some water and I'll spray this in my hair when I'm trying to style it and stuff. I've got two nail clippers on here and my beauty sponge. Well, I've got a pen in this one and it looks like I've been just chucking all my change in there. This one, what have we got in this one? We've got a USB charger and a battery. On here, I'm just going to spray a bit of the Flash Spray Wipe by Mrs. Hinch. This is my favourite one. It's the Frosted Berries. I love this one. Now I'm going to just go into this drawer now, guys. So in here, I basically keep all my crap. So I've got two scrunchies, two hairbrushes with lots of hair in, that's lovely. Another pink scrunchie, some baby wipes when I'm doing my makeup, a clip, plaster, a nail board thing, another scrunchie, a heat mat for when I'm curling my hair, whenever I do curl my hair, some hand sanitizer, lots of my hair, Some of these little clip things, I got these from Home Bargains for about 99 pence for about 12, I think. I've got my heat protectant spray, my mousse, couple of receipts, some more of the clip things, so I'll clip them on there so I don't lose them. I'm going to spray some of the Mrs. Hinch in there. Get all nice and fresh. Put my hair products on the side of the brushes. Scrunchies and hair ties in the middle. That looks so much better now. I bloody hate fly season, guys. Oh, I can put my wipes in there as well. So that's the vanity all nice and clean. And that's just my little chair. No, this is my Alex drawers. So in the top one is all my lashes. So I've got these ones from Sosu Jackson. I got gifted these ones. Picked these ones up from TK Maxx. Some Just Right ones. The magnetic ones. Some hand sanitizer. And then at the back here, I've got all like my glitters and stuff like that. So I think that drawer is okay, so we don't need to bother with that one. This one is all like my lip products. So I've got all my nudes, my colourful lipsticks, my lip oils, Vaselines, lip injection by Too Faced. I've got this lip pout bomb from Revolution. I've got my lip liners in the back. So in the back of my lip liners. Yeah, my Alex drawers aren't looking too shabby, guys. So in here, I've got all my foundations. I've got all my blushes. Put my blush back, what I used this morning. So I used this blush this morning, which is the Rimmel Maxi Blush. That needs to go into the washing machine. Then I've got all like my primers. So I've got an e.l.f. primer, a W7 primer, a Primark primer, the e.l.f. primer. Then at the back here, these are all like my liquid highlighters and powdery highlighters and stuff like that. Loose highlight, pressed highlights. I love my highlights. And then we've got my concealer in that one. In this one, we've got mascaras, bronzers, all my eyeliner pens. I've got all different colours. This is good. If you haven't picked this up from Beauty Bay, I strongly recommend it. It's their Living My Best Light liquid eyeshadow, and it's in Moonstone. I love it. So we've got brow products, mascaras, powders, and bronzers all in here. I'm just going to put my things in there. Yeah, and then this bottom drawer is just literally my filming t-shirt, which is disgusting. I just wipe all my brushes on there when I'm filming. I haven't done a makeup video in forever. But yeah, that's my Alex drawers, guys. So I'm just going to use a wipe and wipe the front of them. But other than that, I don't think my Alex drawers need cleaning, because I try and keep on top of them if I can. Give them a clean normally once every fortnight. So on top of my Alex drawers, guys, I've got my Good Vibes, Good Life book, my meditation and mindfulness book, and the Key to the Law of Attraction book. I'm going to have this little love sign and my Lazy Susan with all of my products inside it. So guys, while I was just sorting out my Alex drawers, I had a parcel come. So I think this is my parcel that I ordered off Vinted, so I'm just going to open it now. So I ordered this off Vinted about a week ago. Guys, I bought myself this, oh god, I can't hardly hold it. It's a nail curer, so it's from Miley, Miley Nails, and I got it off Vinted for a £5. So you basically just dry your nails in there. So this is on top of my chest of drawers, guys. So I've got all my eyeshadow palettes. So I've got the Urban Decay Naked palette. The Urban Decay Honey palette that my sister got me. This is the first ever palette that I've got, which is the Too Faced Sweet Peach one. This is what Tony got me one year. I have my James Charles palette, the Perfect Carnival palette in collaboration with Stacey Marie. I've got a Morphe palette, I've got the Sample Beauty palette, Nikki Tutorials, Iconic London, Sophie Does Life palette, an Imogen palette, a Roxy palette, they're all Revolution. Then I've got Huda Beauty's Desert Dusk palette, Beauty Bay's Bright palette, Imogen's Face palette. I've got Belle Jordan's Obsession palette, a Kylie Jenner palette, another little Morphe palette, Beauty Bay's Fiery palette, Fiery Matte. That's what I'm wearing today actually, the Fiery Matte palette. I've got the Beauty Bay Earthy palette. I've got the Beauty Bay Midnight palette. I've not actually done a look with this, so if you guys are interested in me doing a look with this palette, then just comment down below and I'll do that. We've got the Berries palette from Beauty Bay. I've got the Lion King palette from Revolution. And then I've got the Huda Beauty Gold palette. This is one of my favourite little palettes. So beautiful. I'm hitting pan on a few of them shades. But yeah, that's on top of my chest of drawers. I have all of my nail stuff. So I've got a big, oh, sorry guys. I've got a big brush for like dusting it off. Some nail glue. This is finishing, I don't even know what it is. Basically it cleans your brushes and finishing thing. I ain't got a clue what that's about. Filing, some nail polish remover. I buy these in bulk off Amazon. I think these were $8.99 for 500. I've got my nail clippers. So yeah, that's what lives in this drawer, and then like all my nail polishes. So I'm just gonna stand these nail polishes up because they're all over the shop at the minute. So then I have my computer desk over in the corner. I've got my ring light over here. Best thing ever. So yeah, I'm just gonna quickly clean my desk. I'm just gonna wipe down my computer desk, guys. I'm going to just clean out the fridge because it needs a good wipe all over. So I'm probably going to put you guys on a time lapse while I do this one. So that's the fridge, all nice and tidy. pan of the room, guys. So this is the beauty room, all nice and clean. And then the kitchen is looking all lovely. I've just put the washer on, so I'm sorry if you can hear that. Fridge is looking all nice and clean again. Maisie's all in a bed. Look at you, beautiful. She's feeling a bit sad because Echo's gone home now, so she's all on her own. So yeah, I'm just gonna go up and do the bathroom. Probably put you guys on another time lapse because yeah, it's just quicker that way. Guys, remember when I told you about this night mask from Lacura at Aldi? This is bloody gorgeous. I think I'm going to do like a pamper night for next week for Sunday's video. So I'll show you this, but it is so good. Toilet gel. I've got this from Aldi. It's about 45p or something. Toilet all nice and fresh. I also picked up this room diffuser as well from Aldi. It was 99p and it's in linen fresh, guys. So that's the bathroom all nice and clean, guys. Just gonna give you a quick pan. This has just come out the bathroom because obviously I need to mop the bathroom, but we got all this from IKEA. If I can find it on the IKEA website, I will link it all down below. So that's it for this week's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're updated every time I upload a video, which is every Sunday and Wednesday here on my channel. I'm absolutely buggered. My top, yeah, I ripped it some more because Jesus, it's roasting and it's supposed to get hotter by Friday. So today is Tuesday, the day before I'm uploading. I'm going to go outside in the gazebo, have a nice glass of lemonade and edit this video ready for tomorrow. So I hope you're all having a fabulous week, fabulous weekend, whatever you are up to, and I will see you in the next video, guys. I love you always and stay positive, stay kind, and yeah, love you. Bye.